Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on CentOS Stream 10. But the process is same on all CentOS streams OS. Okay, so first to open any web browser. By default we don't get any web browser. So I have installed Google Chrome on CentOS Stream 10. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install Google Chrome on CentOS. Okay, see here I have installed. Now go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Hit enter. Click on download or documentation. Go to documentation. Then click on installing Jenkins. Then select Linux. Then click on this Red Hat Enterprise Linux and derivatives. Before clicking on this, see these are the prerequisites. 256 MB of RAM. These are minimum hardware requirements. These are the recommended hardware requirements. And the only software requirement is Java requirements. So open it in new tab. Go to new tab. See, we must have Java 17 or 21. Okay. So first verify whether we have Java installed or not. Open terminal. Verify Java version. Java -- version. See, Java is not installed. Okay, so Control C. Now we can install Java by going to new tab. Go to oracle.com. I am going to install Java 21. Click on products. Then click on Java. Then download Java. If you want older versions, you have to click on Java archive. See here, you have the previous Java releases. Okay, you can select them, but go back, click on downloads, select JDK 21, then select the Linux. Then for CentOS we have to download this RPM package. See here, x64 RPM package. Click on this link, that is RPM package. See, download started and its size is 188 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal again. CD downloads ls. See here we have the Java JDK 21 RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh. Then give the JDK. Give the tab to autofill entire RPM package. Hit enter. Provide the password of this sudo user. Hit enter. Wait a moment, it is verifying and preparing, then it will install. Now verify again Java -- version. See, we have installed Java JDK 21. So prerequisite matched. Now go to here. Now come to here and click on this Red Hat Enterprise Linux and derivatives. See, these are the steps that needs to be executed. So copy this one, that is the first one, to here. Control A, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now import the signing key, copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update upgrade. Okay, Control N, sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. All done. Control N. See, I have already installed Java JDK. So run this one. So install Jenkins. Sudo dnf install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, it is going to install latest stable version, that is 2.492. Type Y for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Next, reload the daemon. Sudo systemctl daemon -reload. Hit enter. Now verify the status of the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins service is not started and it is disabled. So start it. You to quit. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Now verify the status. See, Jenkins is active and running, but still it is disabled. So let us enable. Just replace this status with enable. Now verify. See, Jenkins is active and enabled. Q to quit, Control A to clear screen. Also notice here, this is the initial password. So we have to use this one. Okay. Now we have to connect to Jenkins. So we have to use this basic URL. Okay. So open new tab, localhost, port number 8080, hit enter. See, this is the password. Here we have to give, or you can get the password from this file. So copy this file with the path, Q to quit, more, paste the file name, hit enter. See, we don't have permission, so we have to run this with sudo, hit enter. See, this and this both are same, so copy either of them, copy this one, copy it, paste here, click on continue. Now customize Jenkins. So if you want to install suggested plugins, we have to click on here. If you want to install selected plugins to install, we have to click on here. So click on install suggested plugins. See, plugins installation has been started. This will take time, so I am going to pause this video. After installation, we will perform the next steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now optionally, we have to create first admin user, or you can skip and continue. So create first admin user. I am giving administrator. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Full name I am giving same, administrator. Email can be anything. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Okay, click on save and finish. See, Jenkins setup is complete. So click on start using Jenkins. Before that, go to terminal, ls. This file is not required anymore. So rm, give the jdk, give the space, hit enter. So we have cleared the space. Now click on start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. If you want to create job, click on here. If you want to set up an agent, you have to click on here. Okay, if you want to see like new item, build history, manage Jenkins, my use, etc. Okay, so click on manage Jenkins, then plugins. See, here we have the different options like available plugins, installed plugins, and other options. Again, if you want to go back to manage Jenkins, see here we have different options like system tools, nodes, clouds, appearance, security, credentials, etc. Users, click on users. See, if you want to change the password of this user, click on here, click on user, this drop down and select security. Then here we can change the password. I'm not going to do, so go back to dashboard. Okay, the last option that I'm going to show you is what will happen if you stop the Jenkins service. Control L to clear screen, sudo systemctl stop status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is running, but we will see what will happen if we stop the Jenkins service. Sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Hit enter. Now reload this page. See, site cannot be reached. Why? Because Jenkins is stopped. See, it is inactive or dead. So start it again. Just replace this stop with start. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Jenkins is active and running. We have started 2 seconds ago. Quit to quit. Now reload this page. See, it is loading. Now we have to provide the username and password. Also notice here, see, before we were having password here, it is gone because we have set. See, we got the dashboard. And if you want to restart, just replace this start with restart. Hit enter. Again, if you reload, again you have to sign in. See, again it is asking username and password. Until now we have connected by using localhost. We can also connect by using IP. ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Let me copy it. Then paste it. Give the port number 8080. Hit enter. See, we got the same login console. This wrong typo. See, we have successfully logged in with the IP as well. Even you can give loopback IP as well. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on CentOS tree. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.